Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to review this HTVRont Auto Heat Press machine. The dimension is 15 by 15 and it's $295. I already set my eyes on this Stahl Hotronix Air Fusion IQ, and the only problem is $4,600. This guy is 16 by 20, so it's a bit larger and perfect for t-shirts. And also, if I buy this, I want to buy like one of them have a special plugin, and this is not plugin I want. They have a special plugin that you can also do the color label altogether. I think it's a couple $100. So actually, we're talking about $5,000 total. The function I'm looking at this is automatic clamp, and also you can pull it out, and also it has automatic release, so after you press it automatically goes up, and also has a pressure adjustment. I already tried it out in the conventions and I had my heart on it until my friend Chris told me about this $200 heat press that can do basically the same thing. Okay, so I bought one. Let's see if I can do anyway close to it. Somehow it looks much smaller than you can do 15 by 15, although it's 15 by 15. And the plug is 2-prong plug, so it doesn't have a ground, which a little bit worries me. However, it's really compact and the controls are intuitive, so you'll press the thermometer, and then you can go up and down, change the temperature setting. Once preheating, and that R is in red, press the button below the thermometer, you can change the time. And press the time again, I will set it. This gear button is you save the customized settings. And this button on the left, it cycles a couple presettings preset by the manufacturer. And you can see here's a couple presettings set by me. The button A on the right is turn on the automatic press. So it presses automatically when you push the tree in. They didn't pay me for the review, so I'm going to just shoot this video in my garage. Sorry for the lighting. If they pay me, I'm probably going to turn the light on. In a nutshell, it's just not as nice as the $5,000 press. It doesn't have a pressure adjustment. After I tried a couple times, it really needed more pressure, so I put a cardboard underneath the pillow. And yeah, it comes with a pillow, so you don't need to spend a couple $100 on the pillow from Stahl. The pull-out function is great. I usually just lay the shirt right down in the back and pull the shirt forward. That put the shirt right in the middle and ready for 3 fingers. 15 by 15, it doesn't bother me that much unless I have XXXL shirts. Yeah, here I do a manual press. I push the tree in and hit that green button. I only need to do 2 seconds, so I can hit that button again and pull the tree out. Because it's square 15 by 15, the layout is really easy. Make sure you lay the top of the graph, not at the top of the film. You can see there are plenty of spaces underneath there. Your print almost like over the 13 by something. It's 15 by 15 is most likely is enough. When it's done, the platform raises automatically, and you can pull the tree out. You're going to see those sharp edges, and that will test if the platform is heated evenly. I also use an infrared temperature gun, and I run across the platform. The temperature was very even and as good as the $5,000 Stahl press. And you can see it peel off nicely. And although those sharp edges on the corner, I could peel off really clean. One thing I like to do is I don't like those shiny film, look like too shiny. I want some texture on it. So I usually press the second time. I put a sheet of Teflon sheets on top of it and press again. I'm going to put a link to those Teflon sheets in the description of this video. It's like $12 for 10 sheets. and you absolutely want the second press, and which put the texture on it, and the color looks like digging the fabric, and just give a unique professional look, and also make your DTF look really thin. Otherwise, your customer look like having a shiny lead plate in front of their chest. Beautiful. Also, when you do this, make sure you have a mask on. I'm going to put a link to the mask in the description. Here's what I do automatically. So I lay it in the back so I can pull it straight to the front. And I put it there so my 3 fingers is right on the edge of a 15 by 15 pattern. And then I use my finger to pull both sides and pinch it in. Now I'm adjusting left and right. In the front, I hold the seam on the shoulder, so I know it's right in the middle. And now let me turn it on into automatic press. Now automatic is on, and when I press it in, you can see automatically lower it and start doing it. Because this is preheat, so I only do 2 seconds. Now I automatically raise up, and my seam is right here, so I can put my design right in the middle. Here I did a design that's really hard to press because all those sharp edges really hard to peel. And it went perfectly. And notice the detail on the sleeves is really thin white ink, and $5,000 Stahl printer had a problem with it. And this little press did perfectly. What I cannot show you is how much that automatic pressing going to save my time. When I get into a rhythm, I just press and press. And I'm going to buy another one, so I got 2 presses. I think Stahl also sell dual press. Their price is like $8,000. I definitely will rather just get 2 of this little guy and just use as a dual price. Okay, I hope this review is helpful. Please visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.